second. Jaboo. Djibouti. Oh man. Hello? Djibouti. Djibouti, booty, booty, booty. No! I just fell off the bed. Do you have not any concern? No. I don't think so. No, I don't think so, boy. You want to see what's gonna happen the next time I come and see you? I'm gonna whip y'all. No, that's wrong. That's wrong. Okay, I will. No. No. You open it up, just put the butter in, and then you close it, and then you leave. Did you hear me? I said you open it up, butter it up, close it, and leave.